everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is to show you how to do a chainless foundation row using the treble stitch. Let's get started. So you're going to start with a simple slip knot, and we're going to chain 2. And then you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the first chain, making sure that you've got both loops on the hook. Grab your yarn, pull it through, and then as you pull it through, just lengthen that loop a little bit, and you'll see why in a minute. Yarn over and pull through that first loop only, and that's creating your chain. And then the next stitch you make is the stitch that you're using for your foundation row. So if it's a double, a half treble, a treble, and in this case it's a treble stitch, so it's yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops, and that finishes your treble stitch. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first loop only, yarn over, pull through 2 loops and the last 2 loops, and that finishes your treble stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the chain stitch, pull through, lengthen your loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop only, which creates your chain, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Pull through, yarn over, first loop, yarn over, through the second 2 loops, and that's making your treble stitch now. And you can see you're working vertically rather than horizontally, so yarn over. It gets better it gets easier rather as you go along. Insert into your stitch, your chain, make sure you've got both loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through, lengthen the loop, yarn over, pull through that loop only to create your chain, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, and that creates your treble. So you keep working along until you get to your desired length. So however many chains you've been asked to start with, and that's how many you do. So for instance, if it says chain 50 stitches, then you do 50 of these. I'll just do 2 more, and then I'll show you how you work back along the row. Okay, so what you've got now is you've got your foundation row that you've made, and you've got your chain stitches running along the bottom, and then you've got your trebles that you've just worked, which are all these sticks here, and there's the top of those trebles. So say that you're turning now, so with it being a treble, you would chain 3 and turn your work So you're now working into the top of those trebles, and then you start your treble row. And so it's yarn over, insert your hook into the first treble, and then just do an ordinary treble stitch into the tops of each of these. And you just keep going back along. It's a lot simpler than just working back along a chain row, because then you're worried if you've missed a chain, you know, you've not picked it up, and then when you start to do your count as you get back to the other end and you find that you've now not got, say, the 50 that you originally chained, you've only got 48. So then you think you have to then go back, and you either have to frog, as in pull it all back and start again. This way you've got definite stitches that you're working into, so you know where you're up to. And that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you next time.